Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your LG V60 ThinQ, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Right now tap on the search and go for the Opera Mini browser. Click on the install. Let's open. Tap on the continue and allow and continue. And right now we can enter, for example, this website. And as you can see, we got the notification that the first ads were blocked. And it is thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So we got it. Right now we can find here any ads. And when you click right here, you will see exactly how much the ads were blocked. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.